Hello you! Welcome at the new video of Banks and Insurance Jobs. Today we are here to help you to recognize the signs that it's time to move on and get a new job. Did you have a hard time waking up this morning with the thought of going to work in the back of your mind? We hate to break it to you, but this may signal that you need a new job. But how do you know it's time to move on, or if you just got the Monday morning blues? Don't worry, we are here to help you figure it out so you can decide if you're just having a hard time in the morning or if it's time to start job hunting again. 1. You dread going to work every single day. Getting up in the morning may be hard, but dreading going to work is on a whole different level. Of course you can have an off day every now and then, but if you're struggling to get up for work every day, that's not a good sign. Especially if that struggle is directly linked to the thought of going to work, seeing your coworkers, or performing your daily work task. 2. Lunch is the best part of your workday. Of course, all foodies would say that lunch is the best part of their day. We get it, food is life. But on a serious note, it shouldn't be that you can't wait for lunch every day so that you don't have to deal with your work. Lunch should be a nice break, but not a necessary escape. 3. You attend meetings physically, but mentally you're somewhere else. During the workday, your mind is everywhere else except on your job. You can barely focus during meetings because you're just not interested in anything that is being talked about. Besides not being interested, you can also get irritated during meetings, which may also lead to you daydreaming about being somewhere else. 4. You don't find anything exciting anymore. Yes, you may finish your work on time and do it well, but that's just because you're on autopilot. You already know how to do everything and nothing excites you anymore except for ending your workday. And it's not that you hate your job, but it's just not challenging you anymore. You barely remember the last time you learned something new or when you were happy while performing a task. That doesn't mean that everything at work needs to excite you or be your favorite task, but you should be excited about the majority of your daily tasks and at least get the chance to learn or add new tasks to your workday. 5. You don't get along with your coworkers. Some people come to work and isolate themselves from their colleagues. That may be their personal preference and choice, but if you isolate yourself from your colleagues because you don't like them or can't seem to get along, then every workday gets a bit harder. Of course, you're here to do a job, make a living and further your career, but a good work environment is also very important. It can damage your mind, body and spirit if you work at a place and with people where you don't feel at home. We love cheesy quotes and saying, so we'll throw in one again. The last one, we promise. Health is wealth. It is way easier to get a new job than it is to fix your health. So if you're in a toxic workplace, you need to leave, rather sooner than later. As you can see, there are a few clues that may help you recognize that it's time to move on. And moving on isn't always a bad thing. You can move on to a better position, a higher paying position, a more challenging and exciting position. Or you can stay in the same position but at a different company. Moving on is hard, but at times necessary. And with all the jobs available, staying in a place where you're unhappy is just not worth it. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want to stay up to date on the latest vacancies, we suggest you follow us on our social media or visit our website. You can find the links in the description bar.